Namaste. Today I will discuss about what is urology. There is always a confusion. So what is urology? What is nephrology? Even the older generation doctors also they confuse who is a urologist, who is a nephrologist. It is very natural. So that urology is a branch of surgery. Let me discuss subsequently. Urology is a branch of surgery which deals with the surgery of the kidney and the urinary system, and the basic degrees of the urologist is MCS. The full form is Master in Surgery. After they do their MS in surgery, Masters in Surgery, they go for this training for 3 years. After that, they become a urologist. So, what are the procedure done by a urologist? So, you can see everybody, there are two kidneys, and this yellow one is the suprarenal gland or adrenal gland, and from each kidney there are two ureters. They start from the kidney and goes to the bladder, and this is the bladder where the urine is collected and intermittently it is expelled, and this is the urethra, and this is this red one, this yellow red one is your prostate is present in the males. So any structural abnormality, any cancer, any stone or suspected tumors which may be malignant are operated by the urologist. There may be some stricture in the urethral part, there may be stones, there may be tumors, so that is also treated by the urologist. So any pathology in the bladder which may be a tumor, may be cancer, may be a stone, that is also treated by operated by urologist. And there are a lot of other diseases that can occur in the urethral part. So there may be stricture, there may be any stones, so ulcerations, there may be rupture due to any accident, so that is also repaired or treated or operated by urologist. Also, when there is the prostate is enlarged and that obstructing your urinary tract, the urethra, then also this your urologist operate it and clear the path. And also if there is any cancer or tumor is there, that is also operated by the urologist. The other procedures are that is done by the urologist are the reconstructive surgery. Suppose due to any accident, due to some other operations, there is your damage or there is obstruction or something in the kidneys or in the bladder that needs reconstruction, then that also done by the urologist. So they also do a lot of this penile corrective surgeries, particularly when there is a congenital abnormal mutations are there, maybe congenital your bending of the penile part of the urethra, so that is also corrected by them. Also if somebody requires penile implants, and also they do a lot of surgery for incontinence. What is incontinence? Incontinence means somebody cannot hold their urine and there is always dribbling of urine, so that is a very inconvenient. If it is not cannot be treated by your medicines, then they have to do the incontinence surgery. And so other surgeries, those are done by urologist, are the cystoscopy. So what is cystoscope? Cystoscope is instrument which is introduced into the bladder, and by that they can see the pathology directly. Visually they can see is there any abnormality inside the bladder, like tumor, there may be ulcer, there may be a cancer. So they see it, and they can take a biopsy, and also the cystoscope is also used to put a stent inside the ureter for a proper flow of urination. So that is known as stenting of the your ureter. So a cystoscope basically it is for diagnosis, also for treatment that is done. So aerodynamic, they also do aerodynamic studies. That's if somebody has urinary problem, there is difficulty during urination. So what type of your obstruction is there, whether it is any anatomical or it is your neurological. So they do these studies, aerodynamic studies, and also they do prostate biopsy to know whether it is there is any cancer in the your prostate or not. And a lot of kidney transplantation nowadays, that is also done by the urologist. So all urologists may not be doing transplantation, but now all the newer urologists, they know how to do a kidney transplantation. Why would you need to see a urologist? Why should go to a urologist? So if you have any bladder problem, if you are suspected of having kidney stones or cancer, is there any blockage to kidney flow, there is obstruction in the ureter, or there is a problem in your bladder like stones or tumors or ulcers, or you have some erectile dysfunction and you need transplantation, but directly don't go to a urologist. First you show a surgeon or a physician. They should see your problem actually needs a surgery. Then if they needs a surgery or they need evaluation, then you go to a urologist. Thank you. Sarve bhavantu sukhina, sarve santu niramaya. I wish everybody to be happy. I wish everybody to be healthy.